What's up, guys? Make sure you grab your espresso for this one. We're talking about Dogecoin. Dogecoin looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you Bitcoin also because Bitcoin is doing something, trading above 65,000 right now as I'm making this video, that it hasn't done in quite some time, and it's breaking points of resistance. So let's get into Dogecoin first. First thing I want you guys to notice, and I made a video yesterday, hopefully you're subscribed to my channel and hopefully you're dropping likes. By the way, if you drop a like, guys, that tells the YouTube algorithm that you want more content like Dogecoin from other people outside of myself. So make sure you drop a like if you haven't dropped a like yet. It will only help you learn more about this and when to take profit. So you can see right now we're trading at 11.50. Guys, 50 more cents and we're at 12 cents. I've been saying this volume gap right here looks like it's going to fill this around 12.5 cents. The stochastic right now on a daily time frame is going up, which is great. You can see as we build momentum, we tend to move much higher. Right now we're right in the middle. Excuse the dog in the background. He just likes to claw around and walk around. Dude's like 15 years old. I don't know anyone else that has an old dog, 15, 16 years old out there, but dude seems fine. And he's old. Okay. The RSI right now is at 56, 57, and you can see we've hit highs of 73 recently up here. So right now we're not creating any negative divergence. Negative divergence for Dogecoin, if you're trading the crypto, would be the RSI above this point and the asset lower. Okay, so that'd be, I'm sorry, excuse me. It has been a long morning so far. That would mean the RSI below this point. So it's creating a higher low and the asset would be higher than this point. So if Dogecoin reaches over 1322 and the RSI stays below 73, then that would be negative divergence, which could be bearish short term. But right now, Dogecoin is not bearish whatsoever. If anything, it's just getting ready right above the 21 EMA. By the way, guys, I want to let you know, and then we'll get into more Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Patreon down below, CIFR stock. I made this post September 17th, and I want to ask you a serious question. If I could show you how to get 45 to 60% gains in a matter of 30 days, are you patient enough to buy and hold? This is really my strategy, and you can see CIFR stock. I said this is a major buy here at 308. Okay, well, it hit 450, which you can see on the screen right here, up 45%, and it's October 14th. So if you took this buy alert, where I said this is a major buy here at 308, I gave reasons why. I showed the charts with you guys so you can learn and you could start to go fish for yourself instead of just relying on all these people on social media. I want to teach you. So join the links out down below. If you think it's worth it, I think the stock tier is $12, crypto tier is $15 a month. Test it out for 30 days. If you see no value, I mean, if you take one of my buy alerts, 30 days, you might make 50 to 60% gains. Here's another one, SoFi stock. I said this is a buy here at 786. Okay. I said this will get to 960 very soon. This was actually 2 weeks ago. So this is a 30% move higher. SoFi hit highs of over $10 today. It's trading at $9.99 as I'm making this video. And then here's another one, guys, September 5th. And I have others. I just want to share these two stocks with you. SoFi, if you missed it under 650 and 7, like I was talking about way down here, telling everyone to buy, I would look to buy at these prices, 715, 690. Well, that was this right here, guys. That was this dip right here that I was telling everyone to buy. And now SoFi is way up here. Okay. So again, a little over a month, 48% gains, I think. I did take a little bit of profit because I've been in SoFi for quite some time. I do expect to pull back here soon, but they have earnings right around the corner. So definitely be looking for that. So let's go back to Dogecoin. Dogecoin is looking great. You can see right here, volume gap. Bob's been talking about this. If we look at the weekly time frame, you could see stochastic is curling over a little bit, but again, we need to get above the 21 EMA. We did it once, it was a fake out, then we had a big red candle. This week, if we can get above the 21 EMA on a weekly candle, I'd feel really good about Dogecoin right now. We have a lot of long wicks right here. Buyers were stepping in, and then sky's the limit for Dogecoin. And also with Bitcoin right now, how it looks is it looks pretty good because we have a MACD cross. You could see the white line is actually curling a lot higher. Bitcoin has broken this first trend line, this white one that I drew for you. Okay, this is a weekly time frame. So we obviously want this week to close strong. We have these other two trend lines. Let's say this week we close above this one. That's a great sign moving forward. But if we can close above this one at about 66.4, let's just say 66,500, great sign. And ultimately, guys, if we could get above this trend line, because you can see this is the last one with these wicks right here, then that's an even better sign above 68,000. I think the floor might be in for Bitcoin. We have 4 weeks in a row of closing above the 21 EMA. We have huge wicks right here, which means money stepped in and bought up Bitcoin because they feel like this is probably going to $1 million. Who really knows? All we care about is that the uptrend continues and we break this. Like I want to get a new higher high from this point right here. Like I want this wick to go up here. I want the candle close to go up here this week, and I'll feel really good moving forward. And then that will make me believe that the dips are done, right? And it's time to make new all-time highs for Bitcoin. You could also see previously what's happened. And the reason I want to show you Bitcoin is Dogecoin follows Bitcoin to a T. Every time we have a MACD cross, Bitcoin rallies. MACD cross, Bitcoin rallies. So how much more rally will we get? A lot of people are comparing what's going on right now to October of 2023. Interesting that we're in the same month. A year ago, we had a MACD cross. RSI also broke higher right here. RSI is breaking higher from this point. Stochastic is also in an uptrend. Stochastic has been in an uptrend. So is Bitcoin about to do this, right? Also, this was above the 21 EMA. And you can see right here that this is above the 21 EMA. So again, is Bitcoin about to do this? Another indicator I'd be looking for to tell me when to sell Bitcoin is obviously the stochastic, the RSI. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be telling you guys when you should probably start to take profit for Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Of course, Patreon members will be alerted way faster than YouTube. It takes forever to upload a video on YouTube. So if you want to invest in yourself and be a part of a community with over 470 members, make sure you click the links out down below, invest the $10 a month and make a ton of money over the next 6 to 12 months with me. You can do that. But if you're on YouTube, I'll still give you some hints and clues on when to get out. I'm really looking at negative divergence like this when this starts to form. We don't have any of that yet. Obviously, if the RSI goes lower than this high point and Bitcoin makes a new high above 69.6 and the RSI is still down here, that would be negative divergence. So we might see a small pullback. But ultimately, I think Bitcoin will go much higher, at least 105,000, I think, in the next several weeks to months. And that is my opinion, not financial advice, of course. Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy your coffee, and we'll see you on the next one.